Just open up a landscaping company, because it seems like a lot of these people, even so-called landscapers, don't have a clue what they're doing, especially around here. How much are these? $69? Yeah. Okay. Some boxwoods. Let's see, $79 because it's got a nice pot. Oh no, Japanese holly. Excuse me. It's all about the pot too. There's a nice one too, right? $59, you're paying for the pot. So this particular Home Depot is in the slums of Shaolin. This is actually Park Hill. So if you're familiar with the Wu-Tang Clan, 10304 zip code, that's where this is. Actually, the mural is right behind this Home Depot that they always did a lot of videos with. Sometimes you find deals down here. It all depends. $11.88. That's crazy. A little bit cheaper, right? No, $11.88. Yeah. They're always a penny cheaper than good old Lowe's. Isn't that funny? Little price war. Let's see, $26.98. Yeah, got a lot of stuff. I got people here. Stuff's going on. Definitely is. And I didn't come for any of this stuff. I figured I'd just show you.